Alright, it's the day of the inauguration. 6 a.m. Abby's been up since 5:15. Peter just woke up, and what did you say, Pete? You remember?
I am not fully charged.
Are you excited?
Not at this moment.
Okay, you gave me the thumbs up, though. What about you, Abs? Are you excited?
I'm pretty excited, Mom. I think what I said is 5:50. I think I didn't say 5:15. I said 5:50.
Oh, 5:50. Oh. So we've only been up 10 minutes?
Yeah. Sorry to burst your bubble. Hey, Mom.
Mm-hmm.
Do you mean this thumbs up?
Yeah.
Oh.
I saw you do that. I took that as a good sign. So are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Yes. Any other comments? What do you think the Obamas are doing right now?
Getting ready, of course.
I think Malia and Sasha are getting to sleep in.
Probably.
I mean, they don't have to get in line at the gates by 7 a.m., do they?
No, so they're sleeping in.
Alright. We're going to eat, caffeinate, and go, right?
I was planning to leave by 6:30.
Here's our timer.
6:12.
Okay, I think I can do that. Alright, signing off. Say goodbye.
Bye.